I would never have imagined it. This eliminates coughing in a single day. Amazing. Persistent coughing can make you feel very bad, and all you want is to get rid of it as fast as possible. This can be a really painful and annoying thing, although it is not a serious suffering, but it can take too long, and in this case one must be alert. The good thing is that there are some natural methods that allow us and help to end it quickly. That is why today we are going to show you how you can prepare an incredible natural remedy that will help you heal your cough in just one day. It is very simple and effective, which will help you heal your cough virtually instantly. So, look how you can do it is very simple and easy. Natural method to cure toes in a single day. This method involves using onion, which is an ingredient widely used in natural medicine to combat respiratory and lung diseases such as colds, flu and even cough. In addition, it is an incredible natural expectorant that faces this kind of suffering. In the onion we find flavonoids and sulfur, which make this food a powerful natural remedy also to fight heart and respiratory diseases. The onion is widely used to combat arthritis, diabetes and even to lower bad cholesterol levels. The onion can heal the cough in just one day. You just have to do it as we are going to show you. Ingredients: 1. 14 nuts. 2. 2 medium organic apples. 3. 2 medium onions. Preparation: 1. Wash and chop the onions, and cut into 4. 2. Same, cut the apples in 4. 3. 4 nuts. 4. Add all the ingredients in a pot with 3 liters of water. 5. Place the pot on the fire. Leave to boil and half the preparation has evaporated. Method of consumption: consume during the day 3 cups of this powerful natural antidote for coughing. If it tastes too bitter, you can sweeten it with honey and lemon. I ask 3 favors: 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.